फ्रेंड्स,
चैप्टर 15 प्रोबेबिलिटी। आपकी सुविधा के लिए मेरा नंबर, मेरी मेल आईडी आपके स्क्रीन पर दी गई है। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास। द थ्योरी ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड थ्योरी ऑफ एरर नाउ constitute a formidable body of the great mathematician interest and of a great practical importance. R.S. Woodward. PE number of the trials in which is event happened, total number of the trials, ये फॉर्मूला हम 9th में पढ़ चुके हैं। The theoretical probability, also called the classical probability of an event E, written as P is defined as P number of the outcome favorable to E number of the all possible outcome of the experiment. Probability theory had its origin in the 16th century when the Italian physician and mathematician J. Cardan wrote the first book of subject, the book of the game of the chance. Since its inception, the study of probability are attracted the attention of great mathematician James Bernoulli, 1654 to 1705, A. D. Moivre, 1667 to 1754, and Pierre Simon Laplace are among those who made significant contribution to this field. Laplace theory, analytic day probabilities 1812 is considered to be the greatest contribution by a single person to the theory of probability. In recent years, probability has been used to extensively in many areas such as biology, economics, genetics, physics, sociology, etc. Observe that the sum of the probability of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. This is true in general also. Not E by E complement, P plus P not E equal to 1, P plus PE not equal to 1 given as PE not equal to 1 minus PE. In general, it is true for an event E, PE not equal to 1 minus PE. The event E naught represent E naught is called the complement of the event E. We also say that E and E naught are complementary event, that is the probability of an event which is impossible to occur is 0. Such an event is called the impossible event. So the probability of an event which is sure and certain occur is 1. Such an event is called the sure event or a certain event. Note, from the definition of probability P, we see that the numerator of outcome favorable of the event E is always less than or equal to the denominator. The number of all possible outcome, therefore P is the greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 1. Now let us take the example related to playing cards. Have you seen in deck of the playing cards? It consists 52 cards which are divided into 4 suits of 13 cards each: spade, heart, diamond, and clubs. Club and spade are of the black color, while heart and diamond are the red color. The card in each suit are egg, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Kings, queens, and jacks are called the face card. Now, exercise 15.1. The complete the following statement: probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E is equal to. This is a 1. The probability of an event cannot happen dash such an event is called the 0 and impossible event. The probability an event in certain happen dash the such event is called the 1 sure event or certain event. 4. The sum of the probability of the all the elementary event of an experiment is 1. The probability of an event is greater than the equal to dash and less than or equal to dash 0 or 1. Question number 2. Which of the following experiment has equally likely outcome? Explain. A driver attempt to start a car start to does not start. A player attempt to shot a basketball, C, he shot or missed the shot. A trial is made to answer a true false question. The answer is right or wrong. A baby is born, it is a boy or a girl. Answer 2. It is not equally likely event as it depend on various factors such as the whether the car will start or not, and factor for the both the condition are not the same. Second, it is not equally likely event as they depend on the player's ability and there is no information given about that. Third, an equally likely event. Fourth, equally likely event. Why the tossing a coin considered to be a fair with the deciding which team should get the ball are beginning to football game? And answer third. When we lost a coin, the possible outcome are only two, head or tail, which the equally likely outcome. Therefore, the result of individual toss is the completely unpredictable. Question number 4. Which of the following cannot be probability at event? 2 upon 3. Yes, it is a possible. Negative probability is not possible. So option B is correct. Question 5. P is equal to 0.05 and not E की वैल्यू 1 में से 0.5 को माइनस कर देंगे, that is a 0.95. A bag contain lemon flavor candy only. A Malini take out a candy without looking into the bag. What is the probability? She take out the orange flavor candy and lemon flavor candy. लेमन फ्लेवर कैंडी है, ऑरेंज फ्लेवर कैंडी है ही नहीं. दिस इज द इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट. प्रोबेबिलिटी जीरो. लेमन फ्लेवर कैंडी है, इसमें जो है जितने भी कैंडी है वो श्योर इवेंट है. दैट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 1. 7. It is given that the group of 3 students, the probability of 2 students are not having the same birthday is 0.992. What is the probability that 2 students have a same birthday? तो इसको हमने PE given not दिया गया है और हम E को फाइंड करना है. P is equal to 1 minus PE complement 1 minus 0.992 0.008. Question number 8. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that ball first red and not red? The red होने की probability, red की संख्या is 3, total is the 8, 3 upon 8, and not red not होने की value the black ball, the 5 upon the 8. Question number 9. A box contains 5 red marble, 8 white marble, 8 green marble. One marble is taken out the box at a random. What is the probability that the marble be taken red? तो red की टोटल संख्या हमारी 17 हो गई. red की संख्या हमारी 5 है. probability 5 upon 7. And number of the white marble, white की संख्या 8 है. तो 8 upon 17 is the probability. And number of green marble is 4. The 4 upon 17 is the probability. What is the not getting green marble? So 1 minus 4 upon 17, that is a 13 upon 17. A piggy bank contains 150 paise coin, 50 rupees coin 1, and coin 20 rupees 2 coin, and 10 rupees ke 5 coin. It is the exactly likely that one of the coin will fall out when the bank is the turn upside down. What is the probability that the coin? So while of the 50 paise coin, total number of the coin 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10, that is a 180 degree. The number of 50 paise coin is 100, so probability 100 upon 180, 5 upon 9. Number of 5 paise coin is 10, 10 upon 180 is equal to 1 upon 18. Probability of not getting rupees 5 coin, 1 minus 1 upon 18, that is a 17 upon 18. Gopi buy a fish from the shop of the aquarium. The shopkeeper take out the one fish at a random from the tank, contain 5 male fish and 8 female fish. See in the given figure. What is the probability that the fish taken out the male fish? Answer: total number of the fish in the tank is the 5 plus 8 13, and the male fish is 5, so 5 upon 13 is the probability. A game of the chance. Consider the spinning the arrow which come to rest the pointing one of the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are the equally likely outcome. What is the probability that it will be point at 8? So 8 पर probability होने की, this is 1 upon 4. तो 1 upon 8. टोटल ऑड नंबर है, ऑड नंबर की प्रोबेबिलिटी 4 है, तो 4 upon 8 that is 1 upon 2. और गेटिंग ग्रेटर देन 2, the 3 4 5 6 7 8 संख्या is total number is 6, so probability 6 upon 8, 3 upon 4. The number of less than 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is the total number is 8, so 8 upon 8 equal to 1. Question number 13. A dice is thrown once. The probability of the getting a prime number, a number lying between 2 and 6, and odd number. The probability outcome when the dice is through 1 2 3 4 5 6. Number of the possible outcome, dice 6. Prime numbers are 2 3 5. The total number is 3. The probability 3 upon 6, 1 by 2. Number lying between 2 and 6, 3 4 5. So number is 3, and probability 3 upon 6 equal to 1 upon 2. Third odd number जो है 1 3 5, the number is 3, 3 upon 6 is 1 upon 2. 14 number. One card is drawn from the well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of king of red color. King of red color is equal to 2, 2 upon 52, 1 upon 26. Face card is 12, so 12 upon 52, 13 upon 3 upon 13. Total number of red face card is 6, 6 upon 52, 3 upon 26. On getting jack heart, that is the 1, 1 upon 52. Is the total number of the spade card 13, 13 upon 52 is the 1 upon 4. Getting queen of diamond is 1, 1 upon 52 is the probability. Question number 15. 5 card 10 jack queen king egg of diamond are well suffered with the face downward. One card is the then picked up the random. What is the probability that card is queen? And if the queen is drawn and put outside, what is the probability that the second pick the an egg and queen? Total number of cards 5. Total number of queen is 1. So 1 upon 5 is the probability. And second, and when the queen is drawn at the put side, the total number of the remaining card is 4. Total number of s equal to 1, getting s equal to 1 upon 4. And queen is already drawn, therefore number of the queen will be 0. 0 upon 4 equal to 0. 16. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at the pen, tell whether or not is the defective, and one pen is taken out of the random from the lot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out the good one. The total pen is equal to 12 plus 132 is 144. Good 132, probability 132 upon 144, 11 upon 12. 17. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. The bulb is drawn at a random from the lot. What is the probability that is the bulb is defective? Suppose the bulb drawn not defective and not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that bulb is not defective? Total number bulb 20. Total number of defective 4. Probability 4 upon 20, that is equal to 1 upon 5. Remaining total number bulb is 19. Remaining total number of non-defective 16 minus 1 15. 15 upon 19 is the probability. 18. A box contains 19 discs which are number of the 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at a random from the box, find the probability that is the bears a 2-digit number, perfect square number divided by 5. Total number of discs 90. Total number of 2-digit number 1, 2 and 90 is 81. Getting 2-digit number 81 upon 90 is 9 upon 10. Perfect square 1 to 9 is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. Number is 9. 9 upon 90, that is a 1 upon 10. Number are between 1 to 90 के बीच में आने वाले number, there is a 5, 10, 15. That is the total number is 18. Probability 18 upon 19 is equal to 1 upon 5. Question number 19. A child has a die whose 6 faces shown in the letter given below. The dice is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A and D? तो A की संख्या हमारी कितनी भाई? ये 2 बार आया हुआ है, so 2. So 2 upon 6 is 1 upon 3. Total number of the face divide D, it is the 1. Getting D is 1 upon 6. Suppose you drop or dice are done from the rectangular region, so in the given face figure, what is the probability that it will be land inside the circle and with the given diameter 1? The answer is the area of rectangle L into B is equal to 6 meter square. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. So pi upon 4. Pi die will be the land inside the circle. Pi by 4 upon 6. That is a pi upon 24. Question 21. The lot consists of the 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and other are good. Noori will buy a pen if it is good buy, but will not buy it is the defective. The shopkeeper drawn one pen at a random and given it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? She will not buy it. Total number of the pen 144. Total number of defective 20 and not good pens 144 minus 20 124. Probability of good pen 124 upon 144 31 upon 36. Noori buy a pen 31 upon 36. Noori not buy pen, there 1 minus 31 upon 36, 5 upon 36. Question 22. 2 dice on the blue, the grey, they are the sometimes. Write down the possible outcome, complete the following the table. इस complete टेबल को complete करना है. 2 dice को sum की value कितनी बार आ रही है? तो यहाँ पर लिखा गया है 2, 1, 1. There is 3 possibility. सम 3 आने के लिए पॉसिबिलिटी 2 है, 4 सम आने की पॉसिबिलिटी 3 है, 5 सम आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी जो है पॉसिबिलिटी हमारी 4 है, 6 की सम दिया गया है एंड सब की प्रोबेबिलिटी कोई सीक्वेंस में टेबल में लिखा गया है. दिस इज द टोटल नंबर 36 एंड ये सभी हमारे सम दिए गए हैं. हम देखते हैं कि जो है 7 सम आने तक तो वैल्यू बढ़ती है, उसके बाद 8 सम आने के बाद से वैल्यू जो है घटनी शुरू हो जाती है. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ईच ऑफ दिस सम विल नॉट बी 1 upon 11. देयर सम आर नॉट इक्वली लाइकली. ये हमारे इक्वली लाइकली नहीं है. Question 23. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupees coin 3 times and not noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins it all the tosses given the sum result is 3 heads or 3 tails are lost. Otherwise, calculate the probability that Hanif will be lost the game. The probability outcome is this. Number of total possible 8. Favorable 2. 2 upon 8, 1 upon 4. And Hanif not will lose the game. 1 minus 1 upon 4, 3 upon 4. A dice is the threw twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up either time? 5 will come up at least once. There is the total number of the outcome is 36 and total number of outcome when 5 come up either. There is the case is 11. So probability is 11 upon 36 and 5 will not come up either time is 1 minus 11 upon 36, 25 upon 36. So second, total number of the case when 5 can come at least once 11, the 5 will not will come at least once is 11 upon 36. 25. Which of the following arguments are correct, which are not correct? Give a reason for your answer. If two coins are tossed simultaneously, there are the three possible outcomes: two head, two tail, one e of each. Therefore, for each of these, the outcome is probability is 1 upon 3. So, when the two coins are tossed, the probability outcome is head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. It can be observed there are the can be one of each the possible way ST or TH. Therefore, the probability of the getting two head is 1 upon 4. Probability of getting two tail is 1 upon 4. The probability of getting the each is 1 upon 2. It can be observed that for each outcome is probability is not 1 upon 3. Second, if the dice is thrown, there are the two possible outcome, an odd number or even number. Therefore, the probability of getting an odd number is 1 upon 2. The correct, what is the and in the dice thrown, the possible outcome are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 1, 3, 5 odd and 2, 4, 6 is even. Therefore, probability of getting odd number is 1 upon 2. Probability of even number is 1 upon 2. Thank you students for watching. आपने बड़े ध्यान से हमारे वीडियो को देखा, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। और स्टूडेंट्स अपने घर पे रहें, मन लगा के पढ़ाई करें, स्टे एट होम। थैंक यू, बी